it's me, Holly Down Zero, and back with another video. And today we're going to be opening mail from Etsy. Let's get started. I am so excited for this. I'm going to go grab a pair of scissors. Ooh. I ordered pigment. Or did my Aunt Annie order this for me? Oh, it's the slime. Okay, Bruce. It comes with a bit of candy. And it comes with this. Wow, that's cool. Here, I'll zoom in a little so you guys can see the slime better. What's this called? Here, let me take a look. I love bubble wrap. Oh, wow. I think this is the slime. Happy birthday cake. What's this little thread thing in here? Oh, a gummy charm. A gummy charm. That is so cute. I gotta rip this shit open now. Oh, I think my grandma, not my grandma. I think my Aunt Annie ordered these on Etsy. And I think I'm getting some peachy babies. Hey guys, if you want to see a slime review, comment down below. This is just a mail opening because I thought this was my pigment. It was recently my birthday. Just checking the footage. Good. Because I'm like having space issues. Ooh. Professional slime. Hey, let's open one and smell it. I want to smell a birthday cake one. Come on, bitch. Come on, open. Ooh. No way. No way. It actually smells like birthday cake. No way. And here's like these gems. It's a little cold. No way! Oh my god! This is my first experience with professional slime. As I make slime myself, but it's never this good. Where did... Oh, no, wait. Did I order... Yeah, wait. I ordered Christmas tree scents. And I ordered pigment off of Etsy. So this must be from my Aunt Annie. And Annie, if you're watching this video, thank you. Or that's enough SMR for now. Get back in the thing. Holy sh... Oh my god, it smells exactly like birthday cake. I am freaked out here. Wow. I definitely want to try Peachy Babies. Happy Halloween birthday. Oh my god. Was this from Etsy? My real name is on here. It says Happy Halloween birthday Hollow. My real name is on here. You can't see that. Oh my god. Oh, she... Love Aunt Annie and Uncle Tony. Aww! Does it say the same from this one? It does! Oh my god. Aww. I love it. And Annie, if you're watching this video, I cry. And it came with little candies and everything and a little gummy gem. This is awesome. I've always wanted professional slime like this. The stuff actually smells like birthday cake. I am surprised. Just checking the footage. So guys, once my pigment and scents comes from the mail, I will post that on my channel too. And please leave a comment and subscribe. And please, I'm begging you, please leave. If I see at least 3 comments about, not from the same account, like, I mean, it has to be 3 different comments. It has to be 3 different comments from 3 different accounts. You know, when you go to type in the comments. If I see at least 3 comments from 3 different accounts, I'm talking to you, my Xbox friends, because I know you watch my videos, that if I see 3 comments, they know. I will literally do a slime review on this. I would love to mix this together. I'm just going to open this for the... Oh my god, this stuff is so... What's this glue? Oh. That's a gem. That pumpkin... Oh my! Review, so I will not play with it. I'll only play with this one because it's awesome. And I'll even do... Actually, I'm gonna play with this one and I'll do a review anyways. This is from Etsy. I'm gonna take these off because these are annoying, but I can't wait to show my mom. So guys, here's the end of the video. Leave a comment down below if you want to do a slime, if you want me to do a slime review. And please subscribe. I promise you, I'm gonna be producing a lot more better videos. I promise you. Bye guys!